Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here. Today I'm going to bring you what's in this box here today. Today I got this from Microsoft. I had pre-ordered the 2 terabyte expansion card for the Xbox, for my Xbox Series X I have. Because as you know, it comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive, and with every game nowadays being, hundreds of gigabytes, especially, Call of Duty, Halo, anything like that, it's going to be well over that nowadays. So what I did there is I went and pre-ordered this. I already opened the sides. I haven't really opened anything inside, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. There's like no packaging in here, but cool. Okay. There it is, guys. There is the 2 terabyte Seagate expansion card from Seagate there for the Xbox Series X and S. It's a limited series, so this is only going to be limited out there, but this is the 2 terabyte out there. Seagate Gaming, 3-year warranty there. Just your typical what you need to do. Full speed add-on storage, pretty much like an old school memory card back from back in the day, but it's an SSD. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy here for you. All right, as we can put the box right over there for backing. That's it, literally right there. That is what it's gonna be in there for you guys. All you do is pull the tab. Obviously, you got your, warranty stuff back in there, but that is literally the whole box there for that little guy. So, it does have a little plastic thing on it. Check for an update before inserting the card. We'll show you that here in a second. We're going to be switching over to the Xbox. I'm going to turn on my Xbox now, so we're going to get that switched over. But you want to go down to your settings. You go down to your system, check for updates, and then obviously no console update, so we should be good. And right now I have a 3 terabyte regular hard drive on here, and then obviously my internal, but the hard drive is not opted for obviously the newer games. So from where you guys go for your managed games, so you want to go back into the middle button, go over to settings. From settings, you want to go to system to storage devices. And as you can see, I have my internals pretty high up there, 61%, and my more space, which is my 3 terabyte regular external hard drive. So we're going to plug this in, and we'll see what it pops up with. Oh, and see, there you guys go. Storage expansion card. That is for the new Seagate right there. 1.8 terabytes. We're going to go ahead and make this here by default. So anything, everything. So there you guys go. And we're going to go ahead and make sure it works here. I'm going to go into a small game, which is this one right here. We're going to go to manage games, move or copy. And you see it says more space to internal drive. We're going to go to the storage expansion card. We're going to select that, and we're going to hit move. We're going to go into our My Games and Devices. We're going to select over here to the filter. And we're going to go down to storage devices, and we're going to do storage. There you go. That's the one game I already have in there, and it doesn't have the little arrows that are back and forth against each other. So I could easily go play this on my Xbox now, so we're going to try it. See? Game Pass, and it's optimized for my Xbox. I don't have any errors popping up at all. So that's awesome to see. And obviously we have that right there for Among Us, so we're gonna go ahead and pop out of Among Us here. I do think this is worth the $400 price tag that is listed for, but just because it's an SSD And today's technology is going to be going up with, SSDs, M.2 drives for computers and all that. It's going to be going up just because it's going to be, read write is going to be faster. It's going to be able to play, high rated games. So like if I were to put like say Dying Light on there, I wouldn't have to have bogged down my system with that. But yeah, I just got this in today. Thought I'd give you guys a video. And if you guys did like the video, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified when new content comes live. Towards the end of the month, I'm going to be trying to do some more Pokemon unboxings. I did pre-order the Brilliant Stars there for you guys. And I'm going to be opening up 2 ETBs, one from TCG and one from Pokemon Center. 2 other boxes are going to be sealed up. Same with my booster box I got from Brilliant Stars. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go and end the video here and catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.